one brief quick belt squeal. Now it's gonna start. I really thought we weren't gonna have a belt squeal that time. We do. Oh. It's not such a good start. Welcome back to Nostalgic Auto. I'm Dan in my 1992 Eagle Talon TSI all-wheel drive. While the car warms up, I will tell you what we're doing today. In my last episodes, I showed you the stock radio that I had in the back seat and mentioned that I wanted to get that back in the car to replace the aftermarket radio that had been installed, and also showed you some of the other quirks of the vehicle. So today I attempted to reinstall the stock radio. So I guess it wasn't really today, it was a couple days ago. I'm going to show you now the part where I try to reinstall the radio. I'm trying to put in the original radio again, and I got it hooked up. It's radioing. As you can see, when I try to push it back into the housing, oh, it conks out. Accessory on, by the way. And then, oh, now it's fine. And then I put it in and oh, now it will, oh, wait, now it's working. What's happening? I'm guessing that it's getting grounded out or something, or that I'm missing a ground connection or something like that. Something is screwy. I don't know what's happening because I'm not an electrician. Okay, so you probably can't see back here, but that's what the behind the radio looks like. Keep in mind, I don't know what I'm talking about. Ow! That's really bright. Just shining at my face. So I found an exposed wire here. I'm gonna try to put some electrical tape on that exposed wire, see if that'll fix our problem. Plug it back in and test it out again. So let's see. I shall now demonstrate electrical taping. Didn't need that much tape for this here job. I guess I gotta move the light closer. All right, so this is part of the adapter from the well, how did that go again? This is what plugged into the aftermarket one. What? And this is the OEM part. I think that's how it goes anyway. I kind of forget. Oh no, that's this stuff down here. And then this end over here plugged into the aftermarket radio. So now I'm gonna try to get this guy plugged back in here. Let's see. Couldn't be any tighter of a fit either. I don't know how to get that in there because it's so bad. It's so tight. It's so tight. Oh boy. Oh. All right. Oh. All right. So we're back over here. I'm blind. I'm gonna plug in what I think is the power. Well, I'll do that one last. Harness number 1, which I can't see. Let's see if we can get it over there. Oh, are you kidding me? I got this thing upside down. Okay, let's try that again. I was wondering why I couldn't find it. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, 1 is in. Oh, it's stuck on the shifter knob. Okay, there's number 2. And then the power, at least I think that's what it is. That guy is in too. Okay. Let's set her back just so we can rest it there. Alright, now let's test it out. Key on to accessory, and she's fired up. Okay, let's see what happens when I push it back in there. Oh, yeah. Oh, it still does it. Still does it. Okay, it wasn't that. It was not the loose wire that I electrical taped. That was not our problem. So back to the drawing board. All right. Back to the the drawing board. Unplug these pins again. So, what do we think is happening now? I wonder if it's these things. So I just got all these spare wires back here from before. I wonder if they're screwing something up. Let's shove it like way down there. Let's see what that is. If we take a look at the back of these guys here, this is one of the harnesses. Everything looks. Again, I'm not an electrician, but it looks like we're all fully functional there. So let's take a look at the back of the other one. This one's harder to get to. Again, looks like we are fully contacted and everything. Maybe it was just that mess of wires that was in the way. Maybe we get rid of that. I think the next step after that would be just wrap the whole thing in electrical tape and see if that does it. We'll try to plug it back in first, and if not, then we'll go on to the nuclear option of wrapping the whole thing in electrical tape. Oh. What? Why are you... You went in before. I'm getting better. I didn't do it upside down this time. Let's try again. The accessory. There she goes. Try to put her back there. And it craps out again. Okay. And it craps out. Oh, and now it's not there. See now it. But when it gets to here, now what? Well, that's weird. Huh. Does that come loose? That is strange, folks. Electrical gremlin and my Eagle Talon, based on what we just saw, I don't think that wrapping it in electrical tape is going to help anything. Somebody who is an electrical expert told me to try that. Otherwise, I wouldn't have thought of that idea myself. Okay, here we go, folks. I'm going to try the electrical tape option. Oh, gotta unplug the stuff. What do you think? Let's try to do some electrical taping. Fortunately, I have a lot of electrical tape. Somebody is probably going to tell me how stupid I am for doing this. And that's okay. Oh! Dropped it. Almost there. We got it. We are fully electrical taped. In operation. Dan doing electronics and car audio. This is my last time probably trying. Oh, I didn't went too far. I did the seatbelt. Oh, see, now it won't come on at all. Now, why do you think that is? I've got to have like a loose pin or something back there, because otherwise it wouldn't just sometimes come on and sometimes not come on. Right? Am I right? Oh, well, let me reach back there. And I don't want to electrocute myself. Oh, that would be good film, probably. I can radio in a way. And I don't want to unplug everything. Ow. I wonder. Okay. Are you causing problems, Mr. Wireman? Causing a problem? No. That wasn't it. I'll try one more time. Oh. Operation Nostalgic Car Audio was not a rousing success, unfortunately. Sporadically functions, not permanent function. There's positives to be taken away, but also mistakes were made. We'll maybe go back to the drawing board another time, but for now, thanks for watching. So, oh, belt squeal. So, my project to install the original radio was not a rousing success. As you have seen, I thought this would be easy enough, just kind of a plug and play, unplug the old one, plug in the new one. And it kind of was, except for the fact that it's not working, so but that's okay, we'll get her figured out at some point. I did have a successful install of the stock shifter knob. That was just a matter of unscrew the old one, screw this one on, but you know, it counts. That's a quirk I fixed myself, ladies and gentlemen. You know, it's really not that big of a deal if I can't get the radio in. Sure, there's a big old hole in the dashboard right now, but who needs a radio when you've got a 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo at your disposal? We're gonna have a launch right now. Sorry we couldn't get the radio fixed, but thanks for watching this episode of Nostalgic Auto. Be sure to tune in next time for some more Eagle Talon content. Until then, we'll catch you next time. My camera keeps moving now. I don't know why. I don't know why that keeps moving like that. Keep that from moving. Until then, we'll catch you next time. Until then, have a happy time. Enjoy yourselves. What are those things called? Oh gosh darn it! I did it again! At least I remember while I was driving. Hey, put the seatbelt on, you dummy! You put like a friggin' post note on the mirror or something. Step 1, put on the seatbelt. Step 2, put the car in neutral. Step 2, put in the clutch. Step 3, turn the key on when the car starts.